ramp up once again and what the Northeast and New England should expect this weekend. It's all coming up next on Day Planner.
We'll have more on that, but we are also tracking a Category 3 hurricane in the Atlantic. Bill is its name, and it will sweep past the East Coast this weekend.
This is going to be a tough call, though. The question is just how close is it going to get? Check out the image from space here, everybody. This is Hurricane Bill, and this was taken by NASA. So we have to give them a little credit here, and you can just see how huge this system is. How about that view, Betty? You don't see this view too often here. Kind of like the underbelly view of the planet. You can just see that beautiful spin. It's such a pretty looking situation there, but boy, I tell you, with Bermuda now under hurricane watches, it may look pretty, but a lot of folks are a little worried. What's the latest?
Yeah, you've got hurricane force winds extending out 105 miles from the center. Tropical storm force winds extending out more than 250 miles from the center. Right now, Bill is still very far away from Bermuda, more than 600 miles south-southeast of Bermuda. That's where we find that center of circulation. New information, the very latest update just in on Bill. Those winds knocked down a bit, now down to 120 miles an hour. Still a Category 3 hurricane, so it is still a formidable system here as it tracks off toward the northwest. Following that movement here, heading northwest at 18 miles an hour. So the icon here marks the center. There's Bermuda marked on the map. You can see just how much distance is between the two, so still very far. Again, those winds at 120 miles an hour. Now the thinking over the next 24 hours is that it could re-strengthen back to a Category 4 hurricane. As mentioned, Bermuda now under a hurricane watch, so that means in the next 36 hours, hurricane conditions are going to be a possibility. But check this projected path here. Notice where Bermuda is on the map right there. Not in this path for where we're expecting this to really take that direct aim. In fact, it's expected to come west of Bermuda. But with that, waves are going to be a big issue here. So some of the south areas here of Bermuda could be hit with waves that top 20 feet. And then, of course, all the wind energy with this one. This is going to be something to follow. So we'll watch it over the next several days. Notice as we get into Sunday and Monday, looks like it wants to steer clear of the eastern seaboard. But again, wave issues, that could be the big issue for this one as we follow it here. So there will be some coastal concerns. We'll outline those coming up here at 50 minutes past the hour. So more on Bill still to come.